Commercial fishing nets probably look a lot alike to you.
Just like me. And my twin sister.
My name is Emily.
And my name is Ellie.
We are summer interns for the Apostle Islands National Lakeshore.
We have found that certain things are often hard to tell apart, including commercial fishing nets.
That is why we are here to help.
2 types of nets and one goal: to catch fish.
In the Apostle Islands, commercial fishermen use gill nets and trap nets to catch large quantities of fish from the waters of Lake Superior.
Each one of us is going to draw and explain one type of net.
Take notes and see if you can guess which type of net each one of us is describing.
Even better yet, see if you can match each one of our names to the nets we are describing.
The first type of net measures approximately 10 to 1,200 feet long and 10 feet wide. It is constructed of mesh and suspends vertically from the surface of the water downwards, usually at a preferred depth of 80 to 120 feet. It has what is called a float line on top and a lead line on bottom. The lead line is weighted down by lead weights and keeps the netting submerged near the bottom. At each end of the net, the top and bottom are connected with a bridle, which is attached to a buoy and anchor line. A buoy marks each end of the net and is anchored to the bottom of the lake. Set from the rear of the boat, they are usually strung together to form a gang that may extend up to 3 miles in length. The fish swim into this net because it appears invisible underwater. Their gills get caught in the mesh, preventing them from being able to move forwards or backwards. Ultimately, the fish die and are collected when the fisherman pulls the net 2 to 3 days after being set.
The second type of net is intricately shaped and darker in color. The fish can see the net, so they try to guide themselves around it instead of into it. This type of net is known for catching the fish alive. It is constructed of 3 main parts: the lead, the heart, and the pot. The net extends from shallow to deeper water. Only the pot is lifted to collect the fish. To lift the net, a boat with a broad, flat deck and an open hold for the fish is used. The main line is lifted over the side of the boat and attached to a winch. The pot is then moved across the back of the boat, concentrating all of the fish into one area. A string that secures the pot is undone and the fish are scooped out with the net. To reset the net, the pot cover is closed and the pot is lowered back into the water, sliding the king line off the stern. The fish are removed from the nets, put on ice, and brought back to the fish house for processing.
Now that you have learned about the 2 types of nets, we will give you a few moments to make your guesses. Alright, do you think you got it right? Let's find out. The first net described was the gill net. Now for the fun part, which one of us described it? If you guessed Ellie, then you're right. So what does that leave us with? Yes, the second net described by Emily is a trap net. We hope you have learned a little bit about the 2 main types of commercial fishing nets.